Okay, so today we are going to be making a heart. All right, so I'm just going to press A on the keyboard. It says select everything and X to delete everything. And now we're going to make a heart. Let's start with Shift A, mesh. We can do it with a cube. Let's do a cube again, okay? Press X on your keyboard, on the screen here, so that you go into the X view. And we're just going to move this upward, GZ, so it's resting on the table again. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into our modify panel, and we're going to tab into edit mode, hold our mouse right over here on this edge here into Control R, which is a loop cut, click and right click to make a selection there. Go into 2, which is a edge mode, where you can just click on this up here to edge mode. And we're going to click on our edge right here. Actually, let's first select everything. So A, to select everything, you're going to scale it on the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So SX, so move it in a little bit, like that. Now we're going to just select this edge here, right here, and we're going to do Control B. Control B is a bevel, and we're just going to move it outwards, and then by scrolling our middle mouse button, we're going to create this nice curve like that. Okay. And then for the point, we're just going to select this edge and we're going to move it in. So we're going to move this in G, Y on the y-axis, move it all the way in to about there. And we're going to select the top part here and we're going to move this in as well. G, Z, down like this. And tab out of edit mode. And then we're going to go to our modify panel and go to generate and go to mirror. Y, Y, and Y. There you are. Okay. So there's our heart.